United, our spirit has just begun. Through laughter and tears we'll journey on, together forever as Alpha Xi Epsilon. Our bond will shine bright, with loyalty and honor will ignite. United we rise, through every test, forever we'll be the best. Through humanitarian services we make our mark, with leadership